Airframe, assembly and rigging. What is a servo tab? Used primarily on the large main control surfaces, they aid in moving the control surface and holding it in the desired position. Only the servo tab moves in response to movement by the pilot of the primary flight controls. What is a balanced trim tab? Designed to move in the opposite direction of the primary flight control. Thus, aerodynamic forces acting on the tab assist in moving the primary control surface. What is a spring tab? It is an auxiliary control that aids in moving the primary control surface by keeping a direct proportion of deflection to the aerodynamic load imposed on the surface. Name 4 high lift devices. Leading edge flaps, slots, slats, and trailing edge flaps. What are 3 mechanical methods used to actuate flight control systems? Cable, push-pull, and torque tube. What is the purpose of a rotorcraft cyclic pitch control? It changes the pitch of each main rotor blade during a cycle of rotation. What is the purpose of the rotorcraft collective pitch control? It varies the lift of the main rotor blade simultaneously. What unit compensates for helicopter main rotor torque? An auxiliary or tail rotor. What controls a helicopter tail rotor? Foot pedals. What flight control surfaces are considered the primary group? Ailerons, elevators, and rudder. What flight controls are included in the auxiliary group? Wing flaps, spoilers, speed brakes, leading edge flaps, and slots. What are 3 axes of an aircraft? Vertical, longitudinal, and lateral. Where does breakage of control cables occur most frequently? Where cables pass over pulleys and through fairleads. What items must be known before using a typical cable rigging chart? The size of the cable and ambient air temperature. What are cable tension regulators? They are mechanical devices that automatically maintain cable tension. What is a cable fair lead? A cable guide. What is the purpose of vortex generators? To provide for boundary layer air control. What tools are primarily used to check control surface travel? Protractors, rigging fixtures, contour templates, and rulers.